Today another video is brought to you by Everyday Tech for Today. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and until next week so you get notified every single time we post a new video. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, it will encourage us to make more videos for you. Before we move any further, I want to let you know about the Liquid 1V. If you are an active person, or you live in a dry climate, it is vital that you maintain your hydration. Unfortunately, most people do not get enough fluids during the day. Their mission is to change the world by providing the best product. Only one stick and you will feel a multiply in your hydration, energy and immune support. Liquid IV have donated over 9M sticks worldwide with 30k positive reviews. The link to purchase Liquid 1V is in the description, and for 25% discount use the code EverydayTech for today. Today, our topic is the Samsung Powerbot R7010 vacuum. Here are its features. Samsung Powerbot. The Samsung Powerbot is a well-rounded robot vacuum cleaner and offers strong performance considering the price. The Edge Master Tool allows the Powerbot to handle edges with great proficiency. Design. The Samsung Powerbot offers a sleek design with modern aesthetics and easy-to-understand robot features. The face of the Powerbot contains two crystal-clear plastic casings, which cover the cyclonic filter and the camera. Directly below both of these components are three small LED light fixtures and three small buttons. Powerbot R7010 Robot Vacuum. Save time and effort by letting the Samsung Powerbot R7010 robotic vacuum handle the vacuuming for you. Powerful suction delivers optimal cleaning results. Maximize cleaning coverage as it navigates your home with ease and avoids obstacles. Edge CleanMaster technology features an innovative shutter that extends out to capture debris trapped in corners and edges of the wall. 20x more powerful suction. Powerful suction delivers optimal cleaning results with 20x more suction power than the previous model. Visionary Mapping Plus and FullView sensor. The onboard digital camera and 9 individual smart sensors help create an optimal cleaning path by scanning the layout of your home and its surroundings. You won't need to worry about furniture or objects on the floor. Simply turn it on, and let it do the job for you. Edge CleanMaster. This technology features an innovative shutter that extends out to capture debris trapped in corners and edges of the wall. CycloneForce Technology. Get consistent power with less clogging. Strong centrifugal forces separate dirt and debris into an outer chamber to maintain long-lasting suction power. Easy Pass Wheels. Large wheels move smoothly over obstacles, transitioning from hard floors to carpet with ease and providing the right type of cleaning action for whichever surface it's on. Wide Brush. This wide motorized brush allows the Powerbot to clean larger areas with less movement. Its strong rotating motion helps loosen trapped dirt particles, while suction across the entire brush provides pickup from end to end. Intelligent Power Control. Automatically detects surface types to optimize suction power. From wood to carpet flooring, and whatever in between, the Powerbot senses the surface type to provide optimal cleaning. Recharge and resume. When the battery runs low, it automatically moves to the docking station to recharge itself. Once it's fully recharged, it goes back to its last location and resumes cleaning. Washable filter. The washable filter makes for easy and cost-effective maintenance. Specifications. Key features. Download spec sheet. Visionary mapping. Yes. Brush type. Combo. Yes. Easy Pass wheels. Yes. Full view sensor. Yes. Cleaning speed. 12.6 centimeters sec. Running time. 60 minute. Product weight. 8.8 pounds. Shipping weight. 14.3 pounds. Warranty. 1 year. Model code. VR1AM7010UW, AA. Model color. Airborne. Type. Robot.